Silver up another 2% today. This is after 3 different times in the past week that it has gone up over 6% in a single day. If you've been watching this channel for long enough, unlike most people that are saying that silver's about to crash and gold's about to go down and all this wild stuff, right? But they're telling you that crypto is going to boom and that altcoin season is coming. Now, if even just in particular, this week and last week, you knew silver was about to pump. We've been talking about the parabolic nature of it for a minute, and if you're inside of NORDIC Alpha, you absolutely crushed it with sniper entries and sniper exits that I'm going to show you inside of this video. I'm also going to tell you what needs to be upheld in order for silver to continue going up, and if we don't uphold it, right, where are we going to go from there? Same thing with gold. And then where are we going from here? What levels need to be pierced in order for us to get to $5,000 on gold, right? And was $95 on silver. So if you're not familiar with who I am, my name is Drew Wolfer. I am the founder of NORDIC Alpha. We've been doing this with a absolutely astronomically high win rate. We've never had a losing week in over a year, early 2025. I'm a pro trader inside of not only the metals markets, obviously the S&P, crypto, you name it, we do it inside of there, okay? So I'm gonna show you exactly what levels matter on silver first, then I'm gonna show you gold, I'm gonna walk you through it, okay? Let's get you prepared. Now, the one thing I will say is that I gave out this trade literally yesterday, okay? And I'm gonna show you, like at the end of the day, I'm not gonna tell you things and then not come with the facts, okay? So if you look here on yesterday at 9:45 a.m., this is right when the market opened, I said, look, if we come back down here and we get a swing failure pattern of these lows right here, right? Of these lows right here on the 15-minute chart, we need to be taking longs, all right? And what exactly happened? Well, we came down and we got that swing failure pattern and boom, we took our longs, right? So worst case scenario, you entered here, you placed your stop loss here, right? And then where was our take profit? It was at the 4-hour order block, okay? You had a 3.25 risk to reward on this without ever being in danger. You could potentially still be in this trade, okay? Which I know a lot of people probably still are, just to be honest with you. Now, the only thing you needed, other than, be inside of NORDIC Alpha for me to give you that trade idea, you could have picked this out for yourself by just knowing order blocks, naked VWAP, and the Alpha Structure Suite, which is market structure highs and lows by Alpha Intelligence. Okay, now I'm going to show you exactly what happened here, and then we're going to talk about where are we going from here. So this was actually perfect. We gave this trade out yesterday. We said, look, if we get a 5-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute lows, SFPs on that with a bullish divergence, which is a swing failure pattern, and a bullish divergence, and a bounce from the 10 and 15-minute order blocks, which were right here, okay? As you can see on the chart right here, we did get our swing failure pattern. Alpha Structure told us that. We also got a Wyckoff Model 1 right here, which is a bullish pattern whenever it comes in at lows. Then we hit the level that we were talking about, which is the order blocks from the order block suite by Alpha Intelligence, told us that, and then boom, we blasted up. What else did we get? Very simple. Bullish divergence on the 1-hour chart and even on the 15-minute chart. Look at that RSI trending up. Look at the prices trending down. That is a textbook bullish divergence. And what did we also hit? The naked VWAP right here, boom, 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 and then blasted up. That is literally all it would have taken for you to know to be in that trade is just the Alpha Intelligence Indicator Suite. Just that simple, okay? Now, where are we going from here and what ultimately needs to be upheld, okay? What ultimately needs to be upheld right here is going to be your $84 to $83 range. Why? Because that's the range lows here and your prior range highs right here that we just broke through, okay? Now, second to that, we did hit our 4-hour order block right here that obviously Order Block Suite by Alpha Intelligence is telling us about. That is going to be huge resistance from, and I've been talking about this for a while, $88.50 all the way up to about $92. Okay, now, if you get through this and you get above $92, it's almost written in the cards you're coming up to about 95 to 97 bucks. Why? Because that's where your next resistances are from an order blocks perspective, from a market structure perspective, because that is where your 1-hour, your 4-hour, and your 12-hour highs are at $97. So if you get through 92, dude, I promise you, and I can't promise you this, obviously, nothing's guaranteed in trading. You're most likely coming up to about $95 to $97. You get through that, you're coming up to about 107 really, really fast. And then look at the volume up here, right? But then 111 to about 115. Absolutely insane. Now, what did we do inside of gold? Well, obviously, gold did pretty much the exact same thing as silver. We had a textbook, Wyckoff Model 1. We got the 1 hour swing failure pattern, okay? We also got, right here, the bullish divergence, okay? Absolutely perfect, right? Sniper entry, yes, check. We front ran the 4 hour order block, and again, you only needed 2 indicators for this. Order block sweep by Alpha Intelligence, Alpha Structure Sweep by Alpha Intelligence. That's all you needed in order to catch this trade, and obviously I gave this trade out. And again, I'm not going to tell you I did something and not show you me doing it. 2 days ago, on the 11th, I actually gave this trade out, and you can see me setting it up right here inside of the NORDIC Alpha Discord, and that is that. So, in any case, what are we actually looking at here? We need to uphold these 1 hour lows and this 4 hour order block. So long as we stay up above about 45.50, we are in great shape. We can come all the way down here into this 4 hour order block and still blast up. Now, even if we do that, okay, where is our first target? Obviously right here at the highs, okay? Right here at the highs, 30 minutes and 1 hour highs at 47.83. We've been talking about this level for quite a while. And then if you get up above here, you're probably coming up to about 48.78 if you get up above these highs. And then in between there and $5,000 is literally nothing. You're coming to 5K. That's just what it looks like. That's almost like, it's almost written in the cards. Now, once you get up above 5K, your next resistance, 52.50 right here at these peaks, right? And that's where you're gonna start seeing a nice set of order blocks popping up here in just a second. Obviously, once we get up above $5,000, there's gonna be a pretty decent amount, at least in my opinion, of resistance, okay? It's not guaranteed by any means, right? But there is gonna be a decent amount of resistance right up here at about 52.50. In any case, that is what I am seeing. I think that, in my opinion, gold has upside. Silver still has upside. What I would like to see is silver continue and kind of get through those levels that we were talking about just a little bit ago, right? I would like to see us get through that $90 to $92 level in order for us to start moving up to that $95 level. And obviously, if you want to be able to pick these trades out yourself, the simplest way, I'm going to be honest with you, get into NORDIC Alpha, right? And there's a card under the video, and it's probably the first link in the description. Whatever, get in if you want to. And then also using the Alpha Intelligence indicators, if you want to go out and pick them out for yourself and not just, you know, rely on me to give you the TA every single day with my trade ideas inside of NORDIC Alpha, or you could do both. So with that being said, thank you so much for showing up. I do think that we have upside from here. I know everybody else is saying no, but everybody else doesn't have like a 90-some-odd% win rate over a year's time with sniper entries and sniper exits. We're not talking about just, oh, I averaged into this price. No, we pick one price, one range, and we trade it. That's it. All these other guys, they're like, DCA. No, that's not impressive. I'll see you all soon. Peace.